medalists, and we are looking forward to more medals during this Olympics, and we are very inspired as a nation. Kaya congratulations talaga sa mga medalists natin lahat, to our Olympians, talaga world class talaga.
So sir, pwede maging 6M? Tama po ba?
Opo.
6M. 6M.
May pangalawa na yata.
Opo, sir.
So we want to make sure that they are equally inspired and equally acknowledged and rewarded for the achievements.
Sir, yung kasgi po, saan po galing po to?
May tanong pa dito.
Sir, anong nagawa ng Nervosa para explain naman para supportan?
Well, obviously, we are looking at other budget allocations to support the sports program of Filipinos. And we will work among other countries the sports commission and all the other sports agencies to make sure that our athletes are really supported. And beyond that, I think we even look at the benefits that can be afforded, like lifetime pensions. So talagang hindi lang one time lang pero we're looking, we'll be meeting with the president of the SSS tomorrow. There's some proposals on how we can give lifetime benefits pension system.
Sir, since we're already deliberating the 2025 national budget, magiging priority po ang sports?
Definitely. We've always felt that sports we not only develop the youth, we inspire them not to do well, but to have a very healthy lifestyle that is good for the entire nation.
Sir, yung cash incentive po, pa-clarify lang po, saan po galing to? Donation po ba ng mga congressman? Sir,
nakambak mo ng congressman, naglalong tayo. Bago magka-Olympics, ginawa natin po ay we actually did a very formal but voluntary contribution system sa pag-alis ng mga ating mga atleta. May konting baon na. Pero we believe that the athletes, mga atleta, kailangan talaga ng ating suporta. Lalo na dito sa pagkunin ng gintong medalya, really rewarded. So, walang problema naman sa atin. At saka maraming lalaki nag-volunteer na i-recognize. Kaya hindi na po sa private sector, pero mismo mga members of the house, and I'm proud. Marami naman kami po, so walang problema.
Sir, pati silver and bronze meron?
Meron din.
Saka yung taga-Tacloban, sir?
Siyempre, ako special naman yan. So, si Mayor, nag-Tacloban kami, mag-aambot dyan, pero walang problema kasi talagang masaya talaga lahat tayo. So, talagang araw pa proud. Pero nilang na rin at may potential pa tayo makakuha ng iba pa mga medal. Kaya pag-isara natin let's cheer them on para mananalo that they will not bring home the gold talaga.
Papupuntahin niya si Yulo dito, sir, if ever.
Of course, he will be recognized, pero siguro maging busy siya kasi masyado na siguro siya may hindi demand kasi you see these achievements are they personalities really. Naging role model talaga sila, naging inspirasyon. Doon nakikita ng kakaisa talaga mga Pilipino kasi under the flag, naging talagang proud talaga tayo. Kaya malaking karangalan ang dinadala ng mga atleta natin sa Pilipinas at nakikita na talaga world class. Miski yun sa medal count number 1 na tayo sa ASEAN Kaya hindi na pala sa ating economy ng GDP sa sports, kaya wala talagang kayong ma-usap na hindi sobrang masaya sa pag-nangalan ng mga medalya. Let them serve as role models, particularly in the areas of sports and in health, to inspire the youth, and that's what we want to do. May positive reinforcement sa lahat ng sakripisyo nila, sa lahat ng talagang ginastos, kapawit naman.
Mean to say, Speaker, yung sa grassroots level po, kumbaga, i-ensure po natin na ma-allocate ng funds yung grassroots programs po natin for sports.
Sports, kasi hindi mo makalain talaga na magkakaroon talaga tayo dyan sa gymnastics kasi alam naman natin di ba? Lahat ng mga developed countries, mga USA, mga Russia, China, Japan, lahat talaga nandyan di ba? Yung countries, they always excel. Sino akalain talaga nakaka-gold tayo, dalawa pa. So, we're very, very proud. And we want to make sure that we use this as an opportunity to spread the news, to inspire talaga our youth in sports. And all this based on very, very healthy lifestyle. That's why we want to help and we want to celebrate it and support it.
Sir, just want to ask for your comment regarding sa petition ni Senator Padilla sa Supreme Court asking the SC to decide kung joint voting or separate ang Congress for constitutional reform.
Well, there's a lot of support, I think, from many of the House members, no? But as they say, for hindi siya nangyayari komentaryo kasi it's a compliment. So, I know this from discussion and conversations. There's some support also from the House in terms of senators. But as a petition, we will respect the process. We don't want to implement the resolution. Thank you so much.
Speaker, on 2025 budget din po, Makabayan blackballed po yung unprogrammed appropriations as presidential support. Ano po yung reaction niyo po? In-question nila at nananawagan po silang itigil na yung pagkakaroon ng unprogrammed appropriations.
I think, we look at the definition. Wala naman talagang pork kasi that contemplates amendments or post enactment of the budget, di ba, na kasama ng mabago-bago. Yun na naman dyan. And I understand any questions regarding the program appropriations na nakasalang nila sa Supreme Court. So I want to also respect the process. And I'd like to refrain any comments that would in any way, suggest, any influence on the outcome of the resolution. So abangan na natin yung resolution. I think the Supreme Court will be judicious enough to handle this issue. Thank you.
Sir, ngayon po pupunta kayo sa inspection po ng mga bumabas bansa.
Yes, we'll be going to Pampanga. This has been the subject of a number of the hearings. So it has been highly recommended that we ourselves go and inspect and to see what is really going on and to bring the leaders of the House who are part of this whole inquiry and investigation for ourselves and also be on the ground and find out and carry out the truth.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Tanong si sir.